Hello Transformers, this is Arixis82. Last time I was on with you, I gave you a day trade that I took on Nasdaq. It was on the 12th, and I was looking for a price to get above 11,350 with a target up around 11,500, and it happened almost instantly, so we'll just hit a quick replay of that. So if you didn't catch it, I would encourage you to keep an eye on these. I do try to release useful content that is timely for trading. And this is a great time for me to remind you guys to go ahead and hit subscribe. Here it went down below my entry, and as soon as it rebounded above 11,350, it gave us that perfect entry there, held on to it most of the day. And we took out, I think I took profit around the high right here because I didn't want to get greedy. So be sure you're subscribed so that you can catch those as soon as they come out. That is released first thing in the morning to members, and we release it midday to YouTube. So be sure to check out our Discord as well. And I'm going to be looking at Palantir. So Palantir has been in a relentless downtrend for almost 2 years. Why is this happening to the eye of Sauron? He can't see this coming. I'm going to help give you guys a spot that I think we could accumulate for some long-term potential here. This is basically a money printing company, I think. They've got government contracts, and they're knees deep with the intelligence community. I don't see how they're going to lose money long term. I think they got pumped up at a bad time and have just been riding this downtrend is pretty much what's happened. So I'm going to zoom in a little closer for you here, but as you can see, we're in a macro downtrend. Our pitchforks are all bearish. It tried to break out of it here, and the 200 daily moving average rejected it, as well as some of these bearish pitchforks. So down here on the hourly, I was actually recording this at market open, and we got this Darth Maul wick, and it took out the highs here and the lows there, so it would have wrecked anybody's stops or take profits, and it has rebounded. What I can see as a possible resolution is this was an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4. It may not be quite done yet, so we might have another stop down. And before we look at those lower targets, I'm going to ask you again for a subscribe. We're working hard here for you. It really helps us out. So until I get a clearer resolution of this potential ending diagonal and a change of these trends, I do think we're going to keep grinding down. Where we stopped today at 575, that intersection of the median lines does look positive, but I still don't feel like it's resolved. I don't feel like the potential 5 wave here is sufficient to the 1 and the 3. So I'd expect some more sideways and on down. This 285 is a potential accumulation zone. That seems also pretty low for me. So I really think somewhere between $4.50 and $5 would be like a dollar cost average for a longer term trade. And on down to $4 sometime in the next 30 days. This is nothing that I see to trade immediately, but it is definitely getting to an interesting place for a long-term buy, in my opinion.